Okay, so how do we align objects on a certain axis? So here we have different objects scattered across axis. So let's start selecting the objects with shift. Keep holding shift, click on the objects. Okay, so now we have selected all the objects. Now go to object menu, transform and align objects. So what will happen is that an option will be enabled. You have to press T. So now you can see this menu is enabled. Now if you'll press X, objects will be aligned at X axis. And if you want to align at Y or Z or any two axes, you have to press shift and press X and Y or Z. Okay, so I've aligned on Y and Z axis together. Now for the distance you have to do it manually. Okay, so for this select the object G on x-axis, select the object, press G to move, and on x-axis select the object, press G to move, on x-axis press X, select the object, press G to move and then X to move on x-axis, and then maybe press B, block selection, select all the objects, press G to move all the objects on z-axis. So this would be my press 1 to see the front view, side view, top view. Thank you.